Okay, hey, this is probably gonna go, if I post this on the internet, or we probably post after the Godot Wild Jam. And I'm recording this primarily for Jebediah because I've decided to use the Rokuko project for better or for worse. Hopefully for the better, not the worst. What I'm going to show here is this reason why I'm going to show this after is basically a storyboard of my game. And I'm doing this so Jebediah can hopefully guide me to what I need to program or do, as I'm really pressed for time. That's what game jams are great. They're really pressed for time. All right, so number one, I just want a pop-up of these two things, the move buttons. How do I do that? I know I may be sounding pandemic. I don't know. I can't remember panthetic. I can't remember the word. But the point is that basically that's all I want to pop up. And I'm thinking user interface wise, the way that Rokuko is set up already, I'll have a lot of black space and try to keep things extra wide. So there you go. So move left, move right, that pops up. The player basically moves right because there's really nothing in the left. Then they get to a person right here. And I'm also open. I'm going to show this to Securious as well, because the way I'm thinking that this is going to work is it's going to be triggers that trigger these events. But then an NPC walks up to them, and then this pops up and says pull weapon, right? The button. These are the button things to pull the weapon, right? Then the next step is pretty simple. When they pull the weapon, the player or the NPC tells the player, "This won't change the terms of service." Right, so there's Rokuko. That's all Rokuko I'm using. Forgive me, I'm really trying to keep this down to low scale, right? Right there, that's all I want to happen. And then you get prompted to shoot the gun. Fire pops up, and you shoot the gun, and it triggers the animation. And the animation pretty much, once it stops playing, ends the game. That's it. I've kept it to minimal scale. Now the thing about this is that about this whole thing is that the gunplay, I'm not going to have it where I'm even going to program projectiles to hit boxes. It's just if you press the button to fire, it signals the animation and then starts the end. So please tell me in these steps, like, what do I need to do for panel 1, storyboard 1? What do I need to do for storyboard 2? What do I need to do for storyboard 3? And finally, what do I need to do for storyboard 4? Okay, thanks guys for the support. And yeah, all right, I'll catch you on the next one. And if I do post this on the internet, it'll be after the jam. All right, cheers, bye.